Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kaidyn. We're gonna bake chocolate chip cookies and chocolate cake. Chocolate chip cookies. Well, it's supposed to open.
Okay, guys, it's okay.
I know.
So you need to go get a pre-stove at 350. Okay.
Don't mind all this, guys. She's eating one.
Okay, guys, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350.
Start.
Okay. Okay, then we're gonna get a pan down here.
Okay, guys. Okay, wait. We need to turn like this light off or something. No, we don't, because it won't work.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Oh, I have water in it. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and TikTok because why not?
No, use the box.
She just asked if we're gonna put the box in there. Yes, we're gonna put the box in there. We're gonna cut this open, guys. I'm gonna take the piece of paper out. There we go. It smells good. Film it. Yeah. Okay, but make sure it doesn't get too long. It's a little long.
Yummy.
And I'll stop. Stop it. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna flatten it out. And then we're gonna put the cold water in there. With a 1 cup of water.
So satisfying. Can I stop it?
Now you gotta add vegetable oil. A half a cup. Actually, that's like a lot. But the directions say it, so we're gonna do it. Gotta show it.
How many eggs?
3, I think. 3. You gotta show it. Like. Okay. Jiggles. Hey guys, this is it. So yummy. Now time to eat it. I'm joking. Now we're gonna put the cookies in because the thing just beeps. How many minutes do we cook it for? 10 to 14 minutes. So 12. Timer. We're gonna go to 12. And start. The cookies are going. Now I have to mix this and clean the mixture before my mom gets home. Wait. The thingy. Hey!
Trying to find the mixer?
Stop.
Question mark.
Guys, I fell.
Okay, have fun. I'll be back. Don't die. Don't burn yourself.
I'll probably end up running myself or dying.
At least act like you're the older one.
Huh?
I said at least act like you're the older one.
At least act like I'm the older one. I am the older one. I'm the more mature one. I'm joking, guys. Okay. Wait, I should clean up real quick. She's going to go get a shower while I cook the other stuff. Because the cookies were her job, the cake was my job. Oh wait, we can't throw this away. Oh no. Because I'm actually losing my mind. Bad angle though. Okay, we're gonna mix this now. And y'all are gonna watch. Not all of it though. Mix. Okay guys, we mixed it all. Well, I did. Oh guys, y'all see my toes. That was not planned. I hope people enjoy watching this because I don't enjoy making it. But guys, we have to wait till the cookies are done to put the cake in. That makes no sense. So basically saying we have to wait till Gracie gets out the freaking shower. Like, bruh. It's like 1 minute till the cookies are done. Oh. What the actual Sigma, guys. What the Sigma. I'm gonna get back with y'all after the cookies are done. Bruh. Okay guys, the cake's done. We got forgot to butter the pan.
When you say we, you mean Kaidyn. What?
It's spongy.
Jesus, take the wheel. Look at my cookies. They're perfect. And then you have Kaidyn's cake. She's so
So we can make this work. Guys. Wait. Okay guys, this is our cake. We made it look pretty.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Oh, that was a total fail. But we're gonna eat it now, so we're just gonna take forks and dig in. That's what we're gonna do.
That's not a very brilliant idea.
Now watch.
No, we're gonna do it together. We're gonna get a fork.
We gotta show it. Hold up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dude, you're supposed to get like a good piece.
It's still warm. It's good.
And it's good. This is
Very ugly.
doesn't look good.
It's very ugly.
You're very
But it tastes really good.
Okay, guys.
Cooking with Kaidyn
is a
was a
success.